Are you bouncing? Are you bouncing? Happy girl. Look at you going today. You just figured out you can do that. I think someone likes it. You showing Daddy how you can bounce? And spit up all over yourself at the same time. Yeah. You're silly Billy. We need to go change you now. Cutie. You say hi to Dad? Hey, where you going? See, I'm bouncing full right now. Hi. Hi. You're cracking me up. I think that's why you're having so much fun. You're just figuring out this bouncing business. See, this is awesome. Boingy, boingy, boing. Come here. Zoom. Hi, Molly. You want to say hi? Whee! Oh boy, that was fun. All right.